Hey y'all, this is Crystal from Triple C Creations Crafting here in North Georgia, and this is going to be my last surprise card video unless I end up making some more of these card kits. But I'm down to, I have one masculine, one feminine, and two kid ones, so we're going to get them all in on this video. I made these card kits a couple of months ago when I was going to do a card class, so I put everything together. Should be to where somebody who is not a crafter or not a card maker can jump in and make a card. So I've got a card base here, and I've been getting these done in about 6 minutes. I think my last one was less than 6 minutes. So putting my card front on. And this just goes to show you how fast your cards can come together. So I have this, and I have this. I think I'm going to put maybe these two together. I actually wish I'm going to cut that off and let it stick under there. Let's see, where do I want to put that? So that's going to be Thinking of You. Don't do that. I'm going to do it here. Let's do it like that. I think, not the sentiment. The sentiment came from like something totally different. But I think the rest of these came from maybe a coordinating set of paper. And that's unusual for me, but that's why they match. Oh, so Thinking of You, and let's put some glue on this. Some pretty polka dots on the back. Polka dots. Anybody else say polka dots, not polka dots? And there's that. So there's our masculine card, Thinking of You. Sometimes we don't think about doing a Thinking of You for a man. All right, let's do our feminine card. All right. And this is one of those where you cut the paper and you flip it and you end up with two cards that are very similar. So I'll show you the other one in just a minute. Ooh, let's check my card back. Look at that. I think I'm going to orient this one like this. Oops. So I can do it like this. I can do it like this. I think I want to do it like that. Well, sure. 12 of one, half dozen another. No, sorry, 6 of one, half dozen another. You'd think as a math teacher I would know that. You ever heard that saying? Because 6 and a half dozen are the same. Alright. Really here I'm just focusing on getting my border the same. I have some of this ribbon. I've told before I got this ribbon in at a thrift store, and there was a bag of several spools, most of it brand new. And it's made, I'm assuming it's made for card making because it's already got the sticky stuff on the back. I didn't have to add that. And I just paid, maybe $2 for the whole bag. So, whoops. So, and I'm not even going to cut it. I'm going to wrap the ends so I don't have to worry about the ends about them fraying. I think that kind of went crooked, but I'm not going to stress over it. And then I think I'm going to pop this up, especially because it's going over that ribbon, so that ribbon's kind of thick. So if I pop it up, it'll solve that problem. This is my Dollar Tree foam tape from the hardware section. If you haven't tried it, I suggest it. So there we go. And as a bonus, so here's its twin that I had already made. I did peek in the envelopes and see if any of my paper was the same, because then I knew I had done something like this, and you didn't need to see me make both of these. So, but that's how you do it. You take 2 pieces of cardstock, you cut them once, trade out a piece, and you get 2 cards from it. So there's that. And then we got 2 kid ones left. Try to keep my workspace picked up. Oh, a flamingo one. And I have several flamingo items, and they all come from different things. I think I have a embossing folder, and I have some Dollar Tree stickers. That's what this one is. This is a Dollar Tree sticker. Maybe I should have cut some of that off, but I didn't check first. Let's see, this is going straight across. Some things I had cut exact, but some things had to be trimmed. And then if you're somebody that like makes up embellishments though, and has card fronts already cut, you could just kind of spread out your embellishments and your card fronts and start matching them up and make kits like this. And then whenever you have time, or whenever after you get some of those made, because if you're like me and everything is just kind of hodgepodge, I'd kind of like to put that right there, but I guess I'll stick it up here. Wish I'd put my flamingo over further, but kind of in a hurry. I should have took a second. It's okay. It's fine. But I have lots of stickers, and I have different paper pads and stuff, so just kind of getting it all out. It's kind of like this one. It's all from different things, but to actually put it together, instead of having to hunt through everything, just take some time and hunt through and organize, and things that go together. You know, go ahead and kind of make a set, and then whenever you need a card or want to make cards, because sometimes we're in the mood to make cards, and sometimes we're in the mood to kind of just match stuff up. Let's see. I guess I'll go from end to end instead of trying to. Look, I'm not even measuring. I don't think I've measured anything on any of these videos. If it was not cut, then I would go from end to end and trim that way. I wouldn't swear to it, but I don't think I have measured anything. And I'm glad I got my pineapples turned the right way. That's a pineapple embossing folder. I don't know if you can see it. And then let's add some foam tape to this. This is not a birthday card. This would be a good teenager card too. Just says hello. Even for a lady friend. Stick that right in the middle. Could add some jewels to that too, but I'm not going to right now. I might before I give it. All right, so there's my kid card. I actually got 2 kid cards in this video. This is a bonus. Then I think this is the one I made tonight, and this one. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I'll link all my other surprise videos in the description. There's also a playlist of my surprise cards. So happy crafting. Until next time. See ya.